Hello students, welcome to class and especially to you, Curl King. Now, Curl King, as you know, you haven't been a very good student lately. You've been eating meat, you've been eating cheese, you've been eating all kinds of animals. You didn't learn the lesson that we should not be racist towards them. Just because pigs are pink is not a reason to eat them. Just because cats are black is not a reason to eat them. Just because some bunnies are white is not a reason to eat them. We're not going to be racist towards anyone. Okay? Okay. So listen, I want you to watch another video by a classmate of yours to give you an example of who you could be when you grow up and you grow a heart and your brain gets a little bit bigger too. Because right now, you're just not really at the same level of maturity as Ebenezer. But you can get better. Don't worry. Let's watch what Ebenezer's up to so you know who to imitate from now on. All right, so this is Ebenezer. He's a beautiful human who has recipes over here on his TikTok channel. He is using all ingredients that are plant-based. Plant-exclusive meals, that's what he makes. There are no dead animals here. There's no stolen milk from any cows. There's no stolen eggs. There's no fish that have been removed from the water and suffered a brutal death. Ebenezer is a model student, and I want you to watch carefully what he does so that you, Curl King, can be a better student going forward as well. Before we continue, though, let's have a quick look at our Bible here, at the New Testament. Let's see what it says here. We have something called the 10 Commandments. Now, I know, Curl King, you haven't been paying attention in class, but let's just go over it again with you. All right, so you see this one here? Can you see what number that is? This is 5, so this is number 6. Okay, Curl King, I want you to read this. Thou shalt not kill. All right, so that's a good rule that we have in society. We don't believe in killing anyone. We don't kill kittens. We don't kill chickens. We don't kill dogs. Not black and white dogs, not brown and white dogs. We don't kill cows, and we don't kill pigs. Right? So now your classmate over here, he knows this. He's making amazing vegan recipes without killing anyone. All right, now I want you to read this out loud. These are reasons why you should be vegan. Read together with me, okay, Curl King? I'm vegan because all animals have a right to live and be taken care of, not just cats and dogs. Good, let's keep going. All animals have a right to be free, not kidnapped, commodified, or killed. All right, let's keep going. Last one. Animals are not food. They are sentient beings with feelings. They are here on earth with us, not for us. All right. Excellent job, Curl King. You're learning. All right, so let's keep going here. We're going to learn now why you should not be vegetarian. Can you read this with me? Don't be vegetarian. They still hurt animals. Be vegan instead. Unlike the word vegetarian, the word vegan specifically implies moral concern for animals. Veganism is much more than a diet. Vegans do their best not to wear leather, fur, wool, or silk, and are against zoos, circuses, rodeos, animal testing, and any other industry that exploits or abuses animals. All right, so now you know, today you've learned some Bible passages. You've also learned about different vegan foods that you could eat by watching Ebenezer and his beautiful channel here. Look at that. Look how happy he looks, and he's not a mean person. He doesn't eat animals. Look at this delicious looking recipe. It's got vinegar in it and tempeh. It's got noodles, and it's got all kinds of plant-exclusive ingredients. Nothing stolen from animals. This is a wonderful example of a vegan that you should grow up to be like. Okay, Curl King? All right, excellent. Now, before we go, let's remember what veganism is all about. Veganism is actually not about food. It's about justice. Veganism isn't about you or me. It's not about whether you like me or not. Veganism is not about whether I pay attention to you or even acknowledge your existence. Veganism is between you and the animals and you and God. Veganism is about you being brave enough to watch Earthlings, Dominion, that's Dominion Movement over on YouTube, Cowspiracy, Seaspiracy, and Dairy is Scary. And then Googling vegan recipes with lentils, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and getting the fuck used to eating them. Okay, Curl King? All right, now before we go on, look at this other recipe. You see he's cutting up a mango over there. And we're gonna look at a little button here that says, eat chickpeas, not chickens. That's one for you to remember. Also, eat fruits, not friends. Okay, animals are our friends. You can eat fruits like Ebenezer does. He doesn't eat any chickens. Now, he also believes in making beautiful tofu recipes. And here's another one. You can give peas a chance. Eat peas, eat potatoes. Don't eat anyone who is going to feel sad when you kill them or steal their milk or their eggs. Now, you have to admit, Curl King, that your classmate Ebenezer here is a very good student. Not only is he extremely cute, but he's also just making amazing looking recipes. So go vegan for life. Curl King, I hope you learned your lesson. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any more amazing videos in the future. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. There are 3,000 videos now on That Vegan Teacher's channel on YouTube. Have fun! See you in the next video. Bye for now.